Have you ever wondered what your investment fees are actually costing you? It might seem like a small number, but over time, those little percentages can add up to tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's the difference between retiring comfortably or working an extra few years. And that's exactly what the Wealthsimple Fee Calculator is designed to show you. It's a powerful tool, and using it effectively can be a real eye-opener. You'll find it right on the Wealthsimple website. The calculator lets you compare the fees you're currently paying with what you would pay with a low-cost, managed portfolio. Here's how to get the most out of it. First, you need to input your current investment details. The calculator will ask you for a few key pieces of information. The first is your current institution or the average for a Canadian mutual fund. Next, you'll need your total current savings. Be honest here. The more accurate you are, the more realistic the results. Finally, you'll enter the number of years you have until you plan to retire or withdraw your funds. This is a critical point, as it shows the power of compounding. The longer your timeline, the bigger the potential savings. Once you've entered the data, the calculator works its magic. It will show you a breakdown of your estimated value after a specific number of years, based on typical returns and the average fees for your chosen institution. Then, it will show you the returns you could be losing to those higher fees, and the potential value of your portfolio with Wealthsimple's lower fees. This is where the impact becomes real. You can see a specific dollar amount that you might be saving. And it's not just about the numbers on the screen. It's about what that money represents. That's a new car, a down payment on a house, or simply peace of mind in retirement. The Wealthsimple Fee Calculator isn't just a gimmick to get you to switch. It's an educational tool that highlights a fundamental principle of investing. The less you pay in fees, the more money stays in your pocket, and the more your wealth can grow. It's about being an informed investor and understanding the true cost of your investments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.